Hope we didn't ruin it. The paper towels and the slime. Hi everyone, today we're gonna make some. I know I'm making this.
What are we making?
Slime!
Yeah. So let's add the glue. Ooh, adding all at once. Look at that.
Coloring. We're gonna mix it. Mix this glue up.
Wow, pretty.
I'm not adding more. This is pretty blue.
That is. Are you ready to add the activator?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, pour it in just a tiny bit. Quick. More. Cucumber.
You add more?
Yes. That's perfect.
Perfect. Look at those pretty colors. There it goes.
Yep.
It's starting to slime up.
I'm gonna roll up my sleeves for this. Roll up sleeves. Look, it's messy. That'd be messy. Messy. Ooh.
Gooey.
It's still gooey. What's that the rest of this gooey goo? All done. Let's just cover a little bit more contingent. I feel like it's not so slimy.
We'll put a little bit more activator. I think we're getting there. Okay, we're testing out Ruby's video skills. Ooh. How does it look, guys? Mix it.
Just got little by little, okay?
Stirring and stirring.
Oops. It's too. Oh, actually, ooh. I'm going to mix with my hands. You hold a slimy spoon?
Sure. My hands are already all gooey.
Mix this with my hands. I'm gonna wash my hands after this. It's cute and soapy. It will get better, okay? Hope we didn't ruin it. Did we ruin it?
Here, let's take it out. I think we may have added too much activator. And we're all out of glue.
Oh no!
So we're gonna try to put the slime on this paper towel and get off some of the activator.
But what if it sticks to it? Oh, good.
Whoa.
Good. It sticks.
Oops. Hold on.
My goody goo.
Ah, ha, ha. Oh boy.
My slime. Hands. Oh.
Got it.
So if we can get the rust. The paper towels and the slime. Yeah. This is no. The paper towels. Throw the paper towels out.
Get all that paper towel out.
Just take this part.
Look what we got.
We just got this much.
We salvaged our slime.
We saved our slime.
We saved our slime.
It's so cool.
It is cool. You take that end. Whoa! Ooey gooey.
I won. You won. Wait, is your hand gonna can I get some of that off
Sure.
your hands? That's what I do.
That's what you do?
Goo, goo.
Want to get this side?
Yes.
Thanks for watching, friends. Give a big thumbs up if you love slime. Don't forget to subscribe.
This was my hand and super dog.
Oops, sorry, honey. Here, there's a piece over there.
Oh, I wish I could add more.
Want me to see if I can find some glitter? Alright.